asoroboti runde umugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Omusike Amos Kimwomi Nyaribo nigo litkulia lero abagakora umuyega bwo kubekirwa kigutwa ase aboro kigwa chimi isano na ibere na kianda abo barengi ko graduate gosabu barengi gukora amageri abo litkulia lero na nigo abakagwikirana aso umuyego yu ase abagakubekira aboro kigwa bwo kigutwa no nyina bo nigabereka gusegeta amasomo asabereka gotabona nigere buya aboro kigwa bonse ko bwatarani n'amasomo naboyigo kikozi cy'amaboko ekira kikubakonya asa matukari bosyo Fatgad Gisemba norobotero asobime
Umugabana oyoboye county ya Nyamira Omusike Amos Nyaribo nigo litkulia rero ara umuyiga bwo kubekerwa egutwa kwa borokiwa abo babere bagokorera buya aso kwegera emeremo ya maboko korwase ekikuru emerongo ebere na isano nemo kimanyikaine buna vocational training centers imeye county ya Nyamira.
The next one is Felix Otachi, electrical installation from Vigege Vocational Training.
Aiga aborokiwa kimya isano na ibere na kianda nigo babekirwa egutwa eyo aso mugabana Nyaribo airari bagerio na gusingerera buna gwike serikali yaye ekieko genderera gusira amasomo anene kurwa skuru ekiga cyo Burundi.
I will stand with you from now onwards. I will double the efforts because the job market is expanding. You know, the job seekers are expanding at a rate which is about 10 times the economy is expanding. By so, you will only think of employment if you want to get work experience. Tatuweka macho yako, masikio yako kwa tujiachiri. Hiyo tu.
Umuyiga oyo igaboigo noikiranwa no mu vice chancellor bwe university ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi oyo oyirachinga kichae na kubasemya aborokiwa bayiga.
These learners here, these trainees, the graduates who will surely be graduates, have not paid fees. That's what I was surprised, that the county pays their fees. The county builds, the county pays the tutors. That is not a mean achievement. That's not a mean feat. That's why your government with your officers and the county assembly must be commended for this. And that's why with the scholarship program from the KCB Foundation, it underscores the county government's commitment to eliminating financial barriers and equipping institutions to offer market-driven courses, and by investing in infrastructure for the TVETs, the county is building a future where our youth are going to live.
Serikali ye county ya Nyamira ikuragwa no mugabana Amos Nyaribo nigo babete bakubwatirana asobwange nebengi ya KCB aso kubeka ensemo shilingi chimilioni mirongo itatu kubwamo aso kweneke buna aborokiwa bayiga basomire omo MC bwe ward ya Nyansiongo Omusike Jackson Mugusu nigo atumekire chinga kechi na kubwatoka enkwane ye.
Your Excellency, this is the most impactful achievement we have done since the commencement of devolution. I wish we put more effort beyond graduating. And one of the incentives which we may initiate as a county government, how do we motivate our graduates or those who aspire to join a VCT visa-free joining other colleges?
Chingaki echecho nigo egati yabo babekirwe gutwa na barobwo basegetire abande.
In our respective fields. To my fellow graduates, today marks the beginning of a chapter. Let us not allow this we have acquired to remain on paper. Go out, put it into practice. Let us become job creators rather than job seekers. Let us use our talent to improve our lives, to uplift our families, to contribute to the economic development of our great county and the greater Kenya as a country. As the vision of this program, we pledge to be good ambassadors of the KCP Tujiajiri program.
Hingo reporter Getembe Koroiga Sirunga ejegotoke meya wodi ya Busamaro West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Kisemba.